What's up everyone and welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we're taking a look at Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is one of the most popular trading platforms for stocks, options, futures, and forex, especially among active traders. You get advanced charting, which is top tier with 400 plus indicators, custom scripts, and multi-chart layouts, considered best in class in charting tools. Also, the platform is at $0 cost, $0 stock or ETF trades, and free real-time data, no minimum deposit required. You have also paper money simulator, which help you practice trading with fake money, one of the best simulators available. And you get options analytics, complex order like multi-leg traders, and market heat maps and news. It's designed for advanced trading strategies. But on the other hand, it is somehow steep. Interface is complex and it's not beginner friendly. Many users find it intimidating at first. Also, desktop looks old and it can feel crowded. It's functional but not modern, and lag during heavy use and slow order execution on some reports. But Thinkorswim is a power over simplicity. The best part of it is advanced tools and charting, and the biggest downside is complexity and performance issues. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.